Sorry, the mic was not working. Sorry, the mic was not working. Okay. So Nasdaq is sitting at 15907. And now the interesting thing which I want to show you over here is, actually I have discussed this before also, is this bear flag, sorry, this bull flag that we had, and we are seeing a nice breakout towards the upside. Market is trying to come back down to retest previous levels. 15, 400, 500 area is quite important over here also, because if I zoom out and this trend line which was a bear flag saw a nice breakout, came back in, again breakout happening, so a retest of this area and a bounce from here can be very good for the market. So yes, this is what is happening on Nasdaq 100, talking about S&P 500. So again, this area was identified as one of the supports, and we are actually seeing a nice bounce from here. Currently market is creating a double top right now. The sort of price action that I would like to see on the S&P 500 is, actually look at what is happening here. So an inverse head and shoulder is trying to form, and this is what we want to see. So a retest of maybe 4450 or a deeper retest of 4310 can happen, which can give us this inverse head and shoulder, and hopefully we see a breakout towards the upside from here. So yes, nice situation. Overall markets are doing pretty okay. Let's try to put the fib levels over here also and see what is happening. Let's move the chart over here. So now 786 level is what is getting tested, and the 0.5 was from where we saw support. 618, which is the gold zone, is sitting at roughly 4306. Again, retest of the gold zone is possible, and hopefully we continue upwards, try to go towards the next fib level sitting at 4814, which will give us a double top with the all-time high. So actually a very interesting situation is happening for the market. Let's talk about the dollar index also. So price was stuck in this bull flag, was not able to hold, and we are seeing a breakdown happen, coming back up to retest, and hopefully continuation towards the downside can take us towards the 101 level for the dollar index. But overall, if we talk about the dollar index, look at what is happening. Price is making a higher low, but the RSI is almost flat. So this is a hidden bullish divergence which is forming on the TXY. So have to be careful of this. Now let's talk about Tesla for now, because we have seen quite a bit of pump on Tesla. And once again, look at what is happening. Price is trying to form this bull flag, and we are trying to get out of this. So hopefully if we are able to successfully break out of this, let me take this and put this from here. So we are talking about roughly 330, 320 on Tesla, which is going to be an amazing price. So yeah, let's keep an eye on this breakout that is currently happening, or the market is trying to have this breakout, because if not, then we will come down to create a new lower low from this point, which would be somewhere around 180, 182. So yes, have to be careful of this price action. Next, let's talk about NIO. NIO is performing well after we saw nice financial results. So NIO is doing well, trying to pick up, but in the short term you can see that this area here is actually quite a bit of resistance in this area. Roughly 8.25 till 8.5 is the area sort of where the resistance is sitting at. Ideal situation would be that the market continues its pump and tries to hit this peak in volume available roughly at $10.5. So this is the sort of action we want to see on NEO. But yeah, overall market trying to consolidate or tried to consolidate over here. Same what happened over here. So sort of a double bottom happening, and hopefully we see a nice uptick towards the upside. Now talk about oil, because we are seeing a very crazy drop on oil recently, and this is the resistance area that I identified, and this is there for a long time. This resistance is for 2-3 years, and we are seeing a breakdown of this. So next step is the price might try to go back into the $66 $62 range, which is this green box over here. Again, you can see this has been an important range since March 2021, so almost 3 years this range has been very important. So let's keep an eye on this. Also, if I draw the fib levels, you can see that this rejection was almost from the 0.5 level, and price not able to hold the 0.236 level. So yes, again, let's see if the price goes back into this green box over here. Let's talk about gold. Look at this crazy wick that we saw on gold. But again, this red box is a major resistance area for past 3-4 years. This is roughly 2025 till 1975, and price has rejected from this box a lot of times, and again we are seeing a very strong rejection, although market made this new high. So now we are coming back down in this area, trying to convert this resistance into a support. So have to be careful of this price action, because this candle here was very bearish. So yes, it is possible that the price continues downwards, tries to come down towards maybe 1950, 1975, and then try to pick back up and try to create a new high over here. So yes, this is what is happening on gold currently. Let's talk about Bitcoin also, because a lot of move has happened. So 1.618 fib level was 41,500. Price has broken above this, and we are seeing a very strong upward move, but the RSI is in a downward fashion. So there is a bearish divergence over here, and also for such a long time we are seeing the price is just in an upward fashion. There is no retest, nothing happening. So yes, quite the chance there might be a retest. Maybe 38,000 might be one of the first levels of retest, and if price decides then we can see even deeper retest at 35,200 roughly. But yeah, overall very nice performance by Bitcoin. From the all-time lows, we are currently up above 180%, so that is a very nice move. So yeah guys, this was just a quick overview of the markets. So do let us know what you think, and if there's any specific asset you want us to look into, don't feel free to put that in the comments. Until next time.